I'm sorry, Jordan. I think your truck looks better squatted.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
Now the next part of this install, we got to rebuild, not rebuild, but install the new spindle hubs. And I don't think you guys realize how huge this kit is pretty much going to be. And you can tell this just by the spindle hubs. Check. That is a stock Toyota 4Runner spindle hub. This is a rough country hub, spindle hub. This thing is massive. Look at how thick that metal is. Now all we got to do is put that on that, take the seals out. Oh, and I did order these ABS sensors. I do have them. I'm gonna install those. If you guys are paying attention, you saw that I broke those. They're gonna break. Oh well. $20 on Amazon. Let's get to work. Now, as you guys recall, remember I had to cut these lower control arms out because the cam bolts are seized. So I had to cut them off, and I might as well just go ahead and replace this stuff, which we are. We got new lower control arms going in, but there's one thing I need to take off of these old control arms, and that is this piece right here. Now, earlier I loosened it up, so you don't have to see me struggle with this. Had to take that on off. Now we can get rid of this. Now we need to put this on the new control arms. Yeah.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. losing it. The noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Better than stock?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?